Okay, we're gonna make scones. First thing we're gonna do is put 300 grams of flour. There we go. Add the baking powder. There it is. Okay, next step. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I think that'll do it. That'll do it. Alright, I got 66 grams of butter, which I'm going to throw in. Just like that. Now I got to knead it. So when you knead the flour and the butter together, you just squish it between your fingers like that, between your thumb and your fingers. You squash it all until you get a consistency like breadcrumbs. And then after that comes the really messy part, where you add all the milk and the tasty things like raisins and cherries. Oops, I forgot the castor sugar. Castor sugar. I'm going to put in 33 grams of castor sugar. Okay, the castor sugar I was talking about, there it is. And it's more like 40 grams. Oof, it's okay. Okay, here's my cherries. And I chop them up and chop them in. Okay. Alright, sultanas. Here they go. Watch. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Some more. I think I'll do it. I'll do it just fine. Okay, here's the really messy bit. You take the milk and you just bung it in. Like so. Ta-da! Now, people today, you have to knead all of this together. I ain't done. All you have to do is like take a wooden spoon and mix it around until you end up with, well, dough. Now, this is a really messy bit. If you haven't done this before, prepare for a mess. Now, this is the dough, and I take that out of there and put it on the worktop. So first, the worktop, I've got to put a ton of flour down. See, all over the place. Flour. Ta-da! As promised, there is the mess. It's really gooey, and you have to put lots of flour on it to kind of de-gooey it. See, and then soon we're going to have them made into scones. Okay, now I have turned the dough into a workable dough thing, and here we go. It's we don't need a rolling pin when you have a Air Force pint glass. You just hold on. This is really big. Actually, we're going to go with a slightly smaller one. The Air Force one. It's a little big. So here we go. You do this, and you get scones, and then you take them and throw them on the pan, and you stick them in the oven for about 8 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. Let's see what we get. Okay, we have timer set at 8. Oh, that says 8, probably comes out backwards. And we have the oven at 230. Oh, there it is. Not for long. And there they go. Terrible camera work, sorry about that. Looking close. Okay, it's time to go. The scones are ready. Here we go. Quah. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Another success. And a tidy kitchen. Incredible. All brought to you in less than 30 minutes. About 35. Not bad.